In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build the one GoHighLevel chatbot that works for every single client that you'll ever have. It's a chatbot that qualifies leads, books appointments, follows up with leads that stop responding, and it runs across text, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram all at the same time. All you have to do is learn this build once, and you can deploy it for any niche and then sell it over and over again. So let's get into the video. So inside of GoHighLevel, we're gonna click on AI agents, and then we're gonna click on conversation AI. You'll click on create bot, and you'll be given two options. We have the prompt-based bot, and then we have the flow-based builder. I personally like the prompt-based bot. This one just shows you visually how you're building the bot. You can also do some more advanced stuff, but honestly, for the majority of users, all you guys probably need is the prompt-based bot. So we're just gonna click on create new bot, and then we have a few different choices here. We have the general Q&A, we have the appointment booking, and then we have some pre-built templates we can choose from. There's really no difference between any of these. It just kind of preloads a template inside of the prompt to make it a little bit easier, but no matter which one you choose, they all have the same function. So I'm gonna choose start from scratch so you guys can learn how to actually build these for any use case. Now, the first thing you need to do is name the AI agent, and then you can choose the model that your AI agent is running on. Basically, the logic here is the better the AI model, the more it's gonna cost to actually generate and send these messages. GPT-4.1 should be fine for most use cases. Then you can put in your business name here or your client's business name if you're doing this for them. Now, the next section we have is the prompt, and this makes up about 90% of how your AI bot behaves. So this is the exact prompt framework that I use. You can see it has two parts. The first part here is for all of the different inputs, and the second part here is the actual prompt itself. So once you fill in those inputs, it's going to create the actual prompt for you. Now, what I like doing is heading over to Claude, or you could use ChatGPT, and you just write out a simple prompt like this. So we just say, please create this for a real estate investing business. This is the niche that I have the most experience with, but you can change this for literally any type of business. And you can even give Claude your website URL, and then just copy and paste the entire prompt and hit send. And in about a minute or two, you will see Claude generates the entire prompt for us. So here you can see kind of the personality and who it's talking to, why it's talking to them. And then we've got the qualifying questions and the disqualifying questions and all of the other bonuses right here. So we can simply copy this and then just paste this into GoHighLevel. You would obviously give Claude your actual company name and it'll fill all this stuff in, and we're done with that section. So the next section is the action section, and this is where we can do things like appointment booking, trigger workflows, update contact information, stop the bot, do live transfers, transfer it to other bots, and even automatically follow up with these leads that have interacted with this bot. So these are super straightforward. I'll show you a few of them. For the appointment booking, you simply link your calendar right here, click proceed, and then you can toggle any of these other settings here, and then just hit save, and now the bot can book appointments. For triggering a workflow, you can just literally choose any of your workflows right here, and then you tell it when to trigger the workflow. So as an example, if the user agrees to book a call or whatever, maybe you trigger a hot lead notification. The contact info one is pretty cool as well. You can basically update the contacts fields inside of GoHighLevel right here. You just tell the system what to update the field and then hit save. And then the last one I'll show you is the auto follow-up. If the contact stops replying, you can enable the scenario and then literally add in multiple follow-ups right here, and the AI bot will either send the message itself or you can trigger a workflow. You can customize when it follows up as well. And this is a super powerful one. The way I'd recommend doing it is programming all the different follow-ups by the bot. And then on the last one, trigger a workflow that goes into a longer follow-up. Obviously, you're only following up with people that haven't responded. So it's not like we're bugging these people. They haven't engaged with us yet. Now, they've also recently added this. This is the knowledge base triggers. This is where you can update a custom knowledge base. And you can do this with a document or a website URL. And then you can actually tell the system when to use or access the knowledge base. And you don't have to store all that information in your prompt. Now, what makes HighLevel really powerful is that we can use this AI agent across any one of these different channels. And we just want this on autopilot if we do want it to respond at all times. You can see these are all the different channels we can use this AI agent on. So if I wanted to turn off WhatsApp, I could just click that, and I could add in email if I want as well, and just click these on or off. It is important to note that this system only works if a lead messages you first. Not necessarily that they have to start the conversation, but you can't trigger this to start messaging leads if they fill out an ad on Facebook or something like that. They have to send a message at some point, and then this will kick on. Here's how you can set the speed of how quick it responds and how many messages it can send. And you could send the bot to sleep if you send a message or a workflow sends a message. You can also adjust the response style settings and allow it to respond to images and voice notes, and even turn on the summary. Once you want to test it, you can just message it over here, and you can see it followed our prompt right on cue. And then I can test all the different functions here and change the prompt if I need to. So this is how we're using it right now. We have clients' lead sources here as the trigger inside of HighLevel. We primarily get leads from Facebook lead forms and from the forms or the surveys. And then we use an outbound caller to call the lead right away. And then this automation essentially texts and emails those leads. And then when they respond, the conversation AI kicks on. Hopefully you found this short tutorial valuable. If you want to get access to HighLevel and all of my exclusive bonuses, leave a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will send you over a private link. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you then.